piecing together their funny moment together. You're good at this because you, like them, are also dead on the inside. You identify more with the cold corpse than you do with the living human. I believe you want to join your true family, indeed your only family, in death. The device is hooked to your rib cage. You, by the time this tape ends, you will have 1 minute to find a way out. At the end of that minute, you should know better than anyone what happens. Then there's a single key to unlock the harness. It is right in front of you. All you have to do is just reach in and take it. But do it quickly. Get the acid will dissolve the key in a matter of seconds. Make your choice.